The Pivot Snippet Series is brought to you by the Office of Proposal Development and the Office of the Vice President for Research at Stony Brook University. They are intended as quick tutorials about specific tools in Pivot, the funding opportunities database that we use. For this session, we will talk about what Pivot is and why we chose it and use it, the benefits of creating a saved search, how to create a saved search, and the weekly email notifications. What is Pivot? Pivot is the funding opportunities database that the Office of the Vice President for Research subscribes to. It's a very large investment for our office, but we feel it's worth it to help our SBU research community find funding. Our office tested out various databases, and we found Pivot to be the best and most comprehensive one. It provides not only state, federal, and private funding in the United States, but also international opportunities as well. It can also be used as a faculty interest database to search for faculty, but only if profiles are updated. What do you gain from creating a funding opportunities search? First, you can get automatic results. If you set up a saved search every week, you will receive new funding opportunities relevant to your research. It also helps us in OPD look for funding on a specific topic on a continual basis, like limited submission opportunities. It helps us set up saved searches for faculty, and it also helps us look for funding in priority research areas at SBU. Now that we understand what Pivot is and the benefits of creating a saved search, let's log in and explore this. Once you're signed into the homepage, click on the Advanced Search option under the main bar. You can search using any of these criteria to help you find relevant funding opportunities. The ones we recommend using include checking off Match All Fields, key term in the search bar, applicant institution location, we use United States and/or New York State, activity location, we use United States and/or New York State, or others depending on where the activity is planned, funding type, we mainly check off research, project grants, and innovation, but there are others you can check off as well. An applicant type, we suggest checking off academic institution, nonprofit, individuals, early career and emerging in fields, and individuals mid-career to established in field. All other fields can be used as needed. You can also exclude any of the same criteria if you do not want something specific to come up in your search. Once you're happy with your criteria, click Search at the top or bottom of the page. You should now be on the Search Funding Results page. You can narrow the results further using the criteria on the left sidebar, such as keywords, currency, or funder types. We suggest going into a couple of the funding opportunities to review and make sure you're getting the results you want, and then editing your search as needed. When you go into a funding opportunity page, this is what it will look like. It includes the link to the solicitation on the sponsor's website, the sponsor's name, if it's a limited opportunity, what the limits are, and award information. If you find an opportunity that you like, you can track it to easily find it again in the future. You can also see who else in or outside the institution could be a potential collaborator. The funding opportunity page also includes eligibility information, which is one of the first things we look at when we go into the page, as well as abstract. It also includes keywords and deadlines. Back on the Search Funding Results page, once you have the search set up the way you want it, it can be saved. To do so, click Save Search at the top. A pop-up will appear where you can name the search and check off the option to receive weekly emails with new opportunities from your search. To find where your saved search is located, hover over the home icon in the top left corner, then click on Saved Searches. If you ever want to edit a saved search, from the Saved Search page, click Refine Search at the top, make your changes, hit Search, then click Save Search at the top. The pop-up will appear once again. but this time it will give you the option to save a new search or to update your current search. If you checked off the option to receive weekly email notifications, you will receive an email every week with new results from your saved search. This is an example of a weekly email notification. It provides all the new opportunities that came out in the past week related to your saved search. The email provides a short description, and you can click on the opportunity, which will open up the full opportunity in Pivot to review further. This concludes our Pivot snippet on creating a saved search. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a group or one-on-one Pivot training session, please reach out to us at opd_obpr@stonybrook.edu. Thank you.